In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on TradingView. Whether you're an advanced trader or just getting your feet wet in the world of charts and analysis, knowing how to effectively zoom in on TradingView can enhance your ability to read and strategize around your data accurately. To begin, I'll break down the simplicity and power of this tool for you. Imagine you're looking at a vast, detailed map. You might want to focus on a specific city or street to understand it better. Similarly, on TradingView, you might want to focus on a particular section of your chart to get a closer look at the patterns or trends forming there. Start by moving your mouse over the chart that you're interested in. This step is crucial because TradingView ties its zoom functionality to the position of your cursor. Wherever you place that cursor, consider that your focal point. Think of your cursor as a sort of magnifying glass that allows you to zoom in on particular details without losing the context of the bigger picture. Once your cursor is hovering over the decided spot on the chart, use your mouse wheel to control the zoom. Scrolling upwards with your mouse wheel will zoom in on the chart, bringing you closer and allowing you to scrutinize details that might be crucial for your analysis. If you want to take a step back and get a broader view, simply scroll down. The chart will zoom out, giving you a wider perspective. The beauty of this feature is its simplicity. You don't have to fiddle with settings or navigate through menus. It's all at the tip of your fingers, with the magic of your mouse wheel doing all the work for you. TradingView is designed with an intuitive user interface that empowers traders to adapt to different chart views with ease. By zooming in on specific details with precision, you're equipping yourself with the perspective you need to make informed trades. A quick tip: be conscious of where your cursor is positioned before scrolling. Since the zoom centers around your cursor, always ensure it's placed exactly where you want to hone in on. This way, with just a flick of your finger, you're transported right into the heart of the action, examining the details that matter most to you. This gives you a great advantage, especially when you're making rapid decisions or trying to spot trends and formations on a candlestick chart. It's amazing how much more insight you can gain by simply using the zoom feature effectively. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you're all set to navigate TradingView like a pro, zooming in and out with minimal effort and maximum precision. Dive into those charts, explore new strategies, and let the data guide your trading decisions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.